Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai, and today we have episode, I believe it is 18 of our Let's Talk series. So I just wanted to put a short disclaimer. If you hear any background noise, I do have the nieces and nephews here, and they are active and awake. So I just wanted to hurry up and get this video out because I'm super excited to talk about the Caron anniversary cakes that I picked up at Michael's. I did share a picture of them over on my Instagram, so you've already seen them, but I just wanted to go ahead and talk about them. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. Also in that section are ways to contact me and follow me on my social medias. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Starting with, I have two of them. The price point is $34 each. The first one I picked up, you can get these from, I think they're exclusive to Michael's. This is where I got mine from. This is in the color Sunday Funday, and it is 1,000 grams or 35.3 ounces. It's a super bulky size 6 yarn, and the recommended knitting needle is a US size 11 or 8 millimeter, and for crochet hook they recommend the same, a US size 11, 8 millimeter, or an L hook. So I have this one. I cannot hold two at the same time, so. And then the second one is this one, and this is in the color Peach Party. So I have not yet worked with these, so I will be doing another video when I actually bust into them. But I just wanted to show you guys just a quick overview of what they look like if you haven't been able to get your hands on it, and maybe talk about some projects that I think that I want to make with these. So starting off with my first initial assessment, it is, in my opinion, it looks like it's 3 strands of like, maybe, how would I describe this? So it honestly looks like 3 strands of of 4 worsted weight yarn spun together. It is a loose spun, spun? It is a loose spin, and it is very splitty. So I'm gonna get up close with a little piece and see if I can show you guys if it'll focus. Not on me, hold on. So if you guys can see, you could see the twist in it, and then it is kind of like splitty. I did notice that as I was kind of playing with the other one and pulling it out, that the twist kind of started unraveling. So to me, that's not too concerning, but it can definitely affect a project, whether you're knitting or crocheting. Definitely for knitting, you might want to be a little bit more careful when you're actually doing your stitches, because you might actually split the yarn and work into like a couple strands instead of all 3, because it is 3 strands twisted together to get this size 6 bulky. And it does have rapid color progressions. I don't think it's like the mandala where it's color blocked. It kind of looks like to me that they because if you can see from the top, you know, the mandalas, they're in prominent color blocks. This is more of like reminds me a little bit more of variegated, and they do have a little pattern here on the side that kind of shows the color progression, which I think is really cool and really different. I can't imagine having 1,000 grams of yarn and then it be like blocked like that, color blocked like that. I think that would be very monotonous and not fun to work with. So I am really excited to work with this. I'm going to be honest, guys, I don't really know what I want to do with this. I am going back and forth between a blanket, sorry, hit the camera, between a blanket, a sweater, but honestly, they're just so big and squishy. I don't even really want to use them, but I am trying to turn a new leaf and stop just purchasing things and not using them for the aesthetic. The yarn, and you guys know as a characteristic of Caron yarns, is super duper soft. I am actually really excited to bust into them. I think the first one I'm going to use is the Peach Party because it's like my aesthetic. It has all the colors that I love: peach, pinks, cream, all that jazz. And I really am moving towards making a sweater, knitting a sweater. I think that for my first ever knit sweater, having a bulky yarn would be the best option. So this is just a little short introduction to the yarn. There's not much I can actually tell you about it besides the specs, which is on the label. It is $34 at Michael's, and they have an assortment of colors. I just picked the two that I like the best, but they had a plethora of colors available. So stay tuned for our next video where I actually will go in depth with a review after I've worked with the yarn. If you guys want to pick up some, just head over to your local Michael's and get you one. I really do recommend them. If you think about it, $34 for 1,000 grams of bulky weight yarn, it's not that expensive in my opinion, especially when you're buying a bulkier weight yarn. It costs more, and you can easily spend $200 easily on bulky weight yarn. So with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in today for our Let's Talk, as we did a quick overview of the Caron anniversary cakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I upload podcasts every Saturday, and you could join us on Fridays for our October Whip Buster, and then on Sundays I try to get a Let's Talk video out there. So with that being said, thank you again for watching this video and visiting my channel. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.